Today we are going to use resistors. Let's take the power module, the switch, the light, and these two items. These two are called resistors. You can see one is 10 ohm, the other is 100 ohm. The 100 ohm will provide more resistance if you put it in a circuit. More resistance meaning there will be less current flow through the circuit. If you have a light in the circuit, the light will be dimmer. If you have a fan in the circuit, the fan will rotate slower. Let's first connect the power module to the light. Then we are going to connect the light to the 10 ohm resistor. Connect the resistor to the switch. Connect the switch to the power. Let's fix all of them on the board. Turn on the light. Let me turn off the light in the room. Okay, next we are going to try the 100 ohm resistor. Okay, turn off, remove the 10 ohm resistor, replace it with the 100 ohm resistor. Switch on, and let me turn off the light in the room. You can see this light is a bit dimmer compared to just now when we used the 10 ohm resistor. So higher resistor will reduce the current flow in the circuit, so the light become dimmer.